in front of the bridge at Alabama Street, slated to get demolished this upcoming weekend. This is again part of the big dig, the $14 billion infrastructure surgery in Houston. It's very close to where the sign is for the Dallas-Galveston 45, 59. This is where all the traffic jam happens. All the equipment is getting staged over here. This is the calm before the storm. The bridge looks calm. I mean, there's no signs that this bridge will fail to exist in another week. Cranes, huge hammers, huge. Hydraulic hammers. You don't do this kind of thing with a little 5-pound hammer or a sledgehammer. Since a few days ago, we've been seeing flashing signs saying I-69 closed starting February 5th evening. Today's February 6th, we came to document the demolition of the Alabama Bridge. The bridge is still standing. There is no signs on the project board for the contractor. We're left guessing. I started looking for answers online, hoping to find rescheduling information. Your technical questions on these videos have been incredible, but finding the ground truth in these massive archives is a hefty task. Simple searches aren't enough. And the commercial RAG tools that I've been investigating are built for big corporations. They're over-engineered and very expensive. So I have started building AXIO. It's a custom RAG AI tool designed to analyze and monitor these complex projects for you. By building my own, I can keep an eye on the schedule changes and help provide you with the precise answers in a timely manner. This is the very first test run. It's still in early stages, but AXIO is already helping me find the real story buried in the data. From here on out, I'm going to show you how AXIO grows as we cover more projects. Please keep your regular questions and comments coming. More so, comment on what you want to see in the AXIO progress report. Discussion about code, the tech stack, database schema, or how the interface is coming along. Let's get to work.